everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you this awesome Nerf gun that I got last weekend. This is an in-strike gun, and it is the stockade. So here you have you can attach or detach the clip if you want. The clip carries the bullet, so you might want to put that on there. This holds up to all your bullets, but you might not want to put that in there. You need 3 AA batteries. This is a battery powered. You can probably hear it right now. So what we have here, I'm going to be showing you the range of your shot. So let's get it started. And this is not my first Nerf gun, but my first Nerf gun showcasing. So this is where you can easily put your bullets in. Like, that's how you take jam bullets out. You put your bullets into this side right here. Right there. Just put it there. Put it there. Put it there. So we go bullet at a time. And I just decided to do this video. I'm gonna be doing more once I get more Nerf guns. I had another one, but they broke. One broke. So here we go. Alright. I'm gonna be showing the range of the shot and the shape. Alright, here we go. And there you have it. Full version of the stockade. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We see you next time. And this is Sammy Jordan. Peace out. Bye.